Visual dynamics in the design of parkour routes. Definition: Parkour in Roblox is a specialized level where the player's task is to overcome various obstacles, jump from to platform, avoid traps, and get to the finish line. The importance of visual dynamics in the design of parkour routes. Visual dynamics plays a key role in the design of parkour routes in Roblox, as it affects the player's perception of space and their interaction with it. 1. Attracting attention: bright colors and contrast. The use of contrasting colors and bright elements helps to draw the attention of players to key sections of the route. Design elements: interesting architectural shapes and unique textures make the route more memorable. 2. The direction of movement: pointers and landmarks. Visual elements such as arrows or special objects can guide players by showing them where to go next. The logic of space: designing a route based on visual dynamics allows players to intuitively understand how to overcome obstacles. 3. Emotional perception: creating an atmosphere. Visual dynamics helps to create a unique atmosphere, which can significantly increase the enjoyment of the game. Stimulating interest: changing textures and lighting on different sections of the route can maintain interest and excitement. 4. Difficulty level: visual cues. Using visual cues helps players assess the difficulty level of obstacles and make decisions about how to overcome them. Route clarity: well-designed visual elements help to avoid confusion and make the gameplay smoother. 5. Social interaction: teamwork. Visual elements can facilitate cooperation between players, creating situations where you need to work together to overcome difficulties. Design features of parkour routes. The design of parkour routes in Roblox has its own unique features that make the game exciting and interesting. Here are a few key points. 1. A variety of levels: subject matter. Each route can have its own theme, from urban landscapes to fantasy worlds. Difficulty: levels can range from simple to very difficult, allowing players to choose the appropriate difficulty level. 2. Using physical mechanics: gravity and speed. Designers use the physical properties of Roblox to create realistic movements such as jumping, sliding, and climbing. Dynamic objects: the inclusion of moving platforms or obstacles makes the game more exciting. 3. Elements of interaction: checkpoints. Setting checkpoints helps players not to start from scratch when falling. Secrets and bonuses: secret passages or collecting items can add interest and encourage exploration. The role of spatial flow in Roblox. The spatial flow in Roblox is responsible for the movement of objects and players around the game world. It determines the direction and speed of movement of objects, as well as their interaction with other objects and the game environment. Spatial flow can also be used to create various effects, such as animation of the movement of air, water, or fire. It plays an important role in creating an atmosphere and a sense of reality in the game, making the game world more lively and interesting for players. The impact on the perception and comfort of the parkour route in Roblox may depend on several factors. 1. Track design and difficulty level. The more interesting and varied the track design, the more enjoyable it will be for players to explore it. However, too difficult a track can cause players to feel frustrated and dissatisfied. 2. The number and variety of obstacles. It is important that there are different types of obstacles on the track so that players can experience a variety of emotions and skills. 3. Smoothness and possibility of movement. The smoother and more predictable the player's movement along the track, the more comfortable his passage will be. Atmosphere and overall design. It is important that the track is designed in accordance with the overall atmosphere of the game and creates a pleasant visual impression. Interaction with other players. In some cases, there may be elements on parkour tracks that require cooperation or competition between players, which can increase the interest and comfort of passing the track. Examples of successful projects in Roblox. 1. Adopt Me is one of the most popular projects in Roblox. In this game, players are invited to take care of virtual animals, breed them, and trade them. 2. Jailbreak is a game in which players can play as prisoners or police officers. They can plan a prison break or stop other players from escaping. 1. Map City is a life simulator in which players can chat, build houses, take care of their characters, and participate in various activities. 2. Tower of Hell is a platformer game in which players have to go through various levels, dodging obstacles and trying to get to the top of the tower. The importance of taking into account visual dynamics in the design of parkour routes in Roblox. One of the key aspects of the fascination of parkour routes in Roblox is their visual dynamics. Taking this aspect into account allows you to create unique and exciting levels that attract the attention of players and make the passage of routes even more exciting. Using a variety of colors, interesting textures, and dynamic elements in the design of parkour routes helps to create an atmosphere of adventure and makes players feel part of an exciting world. In addition, visual dynamics can be used to indicate the complexity of sections of the route, helping players navigate and make the right decisions. Conclusion: parkour in Roblox is a popular and exciting type of activity that requires the player to be precise, agile, and quick to react. This is a great way to improve your character management skills and overcome difficult obstacles in the game. Thanks to parkour, players can improve their platforming skills and learn how to navigate the game world more effectively. It also promotes the development of movement coordination and the ability to make quick decisions in difficult situations. Parkour in Roblox also promotes creative thinking, as players can create their own levels and challenges for other players. In general, parkour in Roblox is an exciting activity that helps to develop various skills and abilities of players.